my pinies, welcome to another daily vlog. In this vlog, I'll be sharing my ordinary days with you as a Nigerian girl living in Lagos. My first thing I did in the morning was have a cup of coffee and some sugar cookies, which are my favorite kind of cookies. Moving forward in my daily vlogs, I will be giving a vocal narration of how I spend my ordinary days. And on this day, I received some raw human braiding bulk hair, and in a minute now you would see me with this hair on my head. I did go to braid my hair a couple of days before starting this vlog, so you can watch my hair vlog. I will be tagging it in this video. Did you know that an adult female giraffe is called a cow? I bet you didn't know. Hello there, hi, my name is Emem Ene. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. As the title of this vlog says, I'm back again with another daily vlog because I just enjoy sharing my ordinary days with the world. So if you're interested in this boohoo style, I got it done with human hair. So if you're interested in all of that, I'll link it here. So when you're done with this, you can hop on over there and watch that vlog. It was really informative and I tried something new in that vlog. I'll also be trying it in this vlog too. So yeah, my pinies, I just wanted to welcome you to another daily vlog. Happy new month. This is February, the month of love. I hope you feel love. I hope you spread love. And if you happen to stumble on my channel while scrolling on your YouTube timeline because of my thumbnail, please drop me a comment and let me know if it's the first time you are watching or clicking on my video. And I also really appreciate it if you can give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't, because it's about to go crazy, okay? Moving forward, my pinies, we're going to be having 2 videos uploaded every single week. So if you're looking for a channel that has amazing, cozy, aesthetic, relaxing vlogs and content, this is a channel to tap into, okay? So yeah, my pinies, get ready to relax and enjoy a nice, cozy vlog. If you can, grab your blankets, grab a cup of tea. It's time to relax and unwind and get ready for the craziness of the new week. So with all of that being said, I'll see you in the vlog. So on this day, I decided to give my bed sheet a nice fresh refresh. My throw pillows were really dirty. I don't know why they got so dirty because I don't sleep on them. But anyways, I also decided to flip over my mattress, and it's something that I would really advise people to do. I feel like because we lie on our mattress, because of habit, we tend to imprint on the mattress. So I feel like every now and then you need to flip over your mattress to the side that hasn't been slept on for a longer period of time. And making my bed is actually very therapeutic to me. I just love sleeping on fresh sheets, especially when I have done my skincare. The weather is nice and cool. I just love having my bed sheets all nice and fresh and good to go for the new week. So over here I have my cute little transparent container. In this container I keep all my cotton material, like my Q-tips, my cotton pad, my tweezers, and some disposable nail files. I just love to keep this on my tabletop because every time I do my skincare, I just love to reach for it and then get it done. I picked up this new brand I have never used before, and I actually prefer square cotton pads than the round ones because the round ones tend to split and like open a lot of times, and that's just annoying to me. And in this little compartment I put all my Q-tips. I don't know if this is OCD, but I just couldn't focus because all the Q-tips were not aligned, especially in the front, so I had to make sure they were perfectly aligned. And that was that for today. Hey guys, I'm sad seeing this because this was the day that we found out we were going to the finals. It's really sad that we didn't make it, but congratulations to the Super Eagles. You guys rock. So on this evening, I was just in the mood for something light and fresh. And when I do not want to have dinner, I always opt for apples, watermelons, golden melons. Those are literally my go-to fruits, especially in the evenings, and also cucumbers. Is cucumber a fruit or a vegetable? I don't know. Anyways, I put on a nice cozy movie on Netflix. It's called The Princess Kaguya. It's a Japanese folklore movie. And then my younger brother called me, I don't know, that's his new dog. He calls him Pisces. My parents got him a German Shepherd just to keep him company. But I also had it with some nice iced green tea. I love green tea. I love any kind of tea. It's something that just helps me relax, and it's really good for your body and does so much good. I always have it with honey because I do not take sugar. I always make sure I wipe my desk after eating because my desk is my everything. It is my dresser, it is my workstation, it is everything. So after my light dinner, I decided to change my phone case because yes, the metallic wavy phone case is so pretty and such a vibe. It was not just functional. I think I would only use it when I'm going out and I would love to like give a little phone moment. So I opted for this transparent one, which is more functional and it's easier for me to put in my pocket and also vlog when I'm out. So I decided to change it and I love it. Can we discuss the rising price of living in Nigeria? Literally, the price and cost of living wants to take out the living. Everything is so expensive. Dollar is over 1,500 naira, and it is just madness. Like, whenever I go grocery shopping, I run back home and I start to cry because the money I take is never ever enough. If I have a budget of 20k, I will end up spending 30k. It doesn't even make sense anymore. I just don't know what is happening anymore. But on this day, I decided to go over to Blanco, which is my neighborhood store, and I just decided to pick up a couple of essentials. I ran out of oats. Oats are my favorite breakfast food. I also picked up some sardines. Fun fact, I do not like sardines at all. I only pick up sardines for my dog because she loves sardines so much. And it's crazy, I hate them. I hate the smell, I hate the texture. So I was just looking around and everything has gone up times 100%. I hope you guys didn't enter 2024 with your old toothbrushes. I came over here because my sister is a dental enthusiast. So I was asking for her recommendations on what toothbrush and tongue scraper to pick up. So I ended up picking these two, one from Sensodyne and the other from Jabbar. I don't know that brand. It's currently 9:59 and I'm still in bed because it's so cold. It's so freaking cold. Like, I don't understand. It's showing 28 degrees, but it literally feels like 20 degrees. It's so cold. I like turned off my AC, turned off my fan. Usually I sleep with my windows open, but I couldn't because it's so freaking cold. I don't understand it. This Hamatan just came and I don't know, it's so cold. But anyways, good morning my pinies. I hope you have a good day. Today I'm gonna be filming, so you guys are gonna watch me set up how I film. So yeah, good morning. It's time for me to get out of bed. Alright. Yeah, let me Let me get out of bed. Oh, cold. So you guys remember the oats we picked up last time we went to the grocery store? This is what it looks like. I have never tried this brand out, so I was really impressed with the fact that they packaged the oats into 2 separate containers. I feel like it will just help you portion your food out perfectly. And I was brushing my teeth and trying out my new toothbrush and my tongue scraper, which was fantastic. I felt so clean. Breakfast was served. I had oats and milk with a hard-boiled egg. Also, my sister went to the market and bought us some African cherry, aka agbalumo. I love this fruit, but on this day, this one wasn't sweet. It was slapping my mouth, but make sure to check it out if you have never tried the African cherry. And also let me know in the comments what they call this fruit in your native language. Action 1, 2, 3. On this day, I was filming and on a consistency journey on Instagram, and I'm giving you guys the BTS of how I film all my content on Instagram. If you're interested in seeing that, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's the same name I have across all my social media. I have 2 lights, a ring light and an LED light, and as you can see, I have a very small space to work with, but I always make it work and come out with the best content I could. After all that filming, I just needed to like relax and unwind, and I called it a night. So good night, my pinies. I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. This was a very emotional day for me, but I just can't share it just yet. But I went to grab some KFC I was craving with my honey, and the place was absolutely empty. I can see that the economy is really getting to businesses, and it is just sad to see. Anyways, I picked up the streetwise 2. That's what I always go for. It's 2 chicken, french fries, and a Pepsi. And yeah, that was it. Hey my pinies, good evening. I was say good night. Good evening. So I just had my shower. I'm about to like just do my my skincare routine, and I just wanted to give you guys a cute little story time of what happened earlier on this week. I just couldn't sit down. I just couldn't wait to sit down and tell you guys about what happened earlier this week. So I was walking along like the road. I was with my honey, and we were looking for a business center just to like print out some documents. And when we got to like where we were directed to, I just noticed a girl just look at me. And you know how somebody looks at you, somebody who recognizes you looks at you? That's exactly how she looked at me. And I was like, why is this girl looking at me like this? I was like, if she should recognize me from anywhere, it should be TikTok. So I was like, maybe she recognized me from TikTok. So I just walked along and just kept on going. And then when I was on my way back, she was like, sorry, are you Emem Ene? I was like, yeah, I'm Emem Ene. And she was like, OMG, I literally just downloaded your vlog to watch like right now. And I was like, wait, what? Wait, what? I'm like, you know me from YouTube. You are my subby. Oh my goodness. I was just like, wow. I was speechless, but she was such a sweet girl. I gave her a hug and she's like, we're just chatting and speaking and like gisting. She's like, where are you from? Like, I told her, and she was like, yeah, I'm from there too. And I was just like, wow. Blown, like literally blown. I was like, wow. And trust me, I'm somebody who doesn't even go out. Like, I probably leave my house once a week or once or twice in 2 weeks. I do not leave my house because I hate being in traffic. So it was pretty crazy that the one time I left my house, I met an awesome sweet girl who happens to also be a subscriber. So hey Anna, if you're watching this, I know you watch it because you're so supportive. Like, she's such a sweetheart. She wrote me on Instagram. She also dropped me a comment on YouTube. I'll put it as I'm giving you guys the gist. Hey girlie, thank you so much for walking up to me, and you know, it made me feel really seen and acknowledged for all the efforts I put into content creation. And yeah, it was an aha moment. My honey was like, wow. He was shocked. He was like, because this is not the first time it has happened, right? The first time it happened was like, I think last year, or yeah, it was last year. And I told my sisters, I told him, and he was like, wow, that's so cool. And she also wrote me on Instagram and all of that. But this one literally happened in his presence, and he was like, he was stunned. He was like, wow, congratulations, you're doing well. But yeah, it was such an amazing experience. So yeah, that was the cute little thing I said I was going to tell all my pinies. I hope to meet each and every one of you someday. I hope to have like a meet and greet or like one of those hangouts, and you know, I feel like you guys deserve it and we're growing. So yeah, Jesus is listening. Okay, I'm done with my skincare. I'm going to go to bed now. My skin has been acting up because my period is about to come. I'm breaking out here and along my jawline. So yeah, I know what time it is. But yeah, my pioneers, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I had been craving a full English breakfast, so I made some and it was delicious. I had it with some bananas and some coffee, and I called it a morning. Of course, my baby always has to look cute and pretty like her mama. So this is China's outfit for the week. It's a red and white pinstripe dress with frills, and she doesn't like the camera, but she loves to dress up. She loves when I pull out a fresh outfit and dress her up. We're all done and all dressed. She does not like the camera, but little does she know that's how I get her kibble in her bowl. Anyways, that's my baby's dress. It has a little cute bow at the back. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this new and improved version of me just verbally narrating my ordinary days living as a Nigerian girl in Lagos. And if you did enjoy it, let me know in the comment section. And with all of that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Have an amazing, blessed week.